Hey, it's October 2025 and I could be doing Vlogtober, so here we are. I took some random footage of the things I did this week and thought I'd share with you guys. Here is my October postcards. It's the first month of my new monthly subscription that you can receive in your mail, and the first 3 months are free, so sign up below. Then I worked on November's postcard and brainstormed for December. I'm looking forward to getting those shipped out. I do have a few spots left. So like I said, sign up with your information down below and I'll send you one. I also did some baking and made a sourdough lemon poppy seed loaf in the bread maker. Super delicious. Ordered some more amazing products from the Wellness Company and chowed down on those beef sticks. They were pretty tasty. The bulb went out on my chameleon. Easy peasy. And I also have two wonderful dogs that I have to spend a lot of time walking. So in between meetings and stuff and teaching, I take them on a walk. I also got this really cool plant mat that I'm super excited to use because I can put all the dirt in it in one place instead of getting it all over my table. So I'm super excited about this plant mat, and of course I got it vinyled, which I could have done myself, but it's already done, so that saves me some time. And if you are a part of my Patreon, enjoy the next 30 minutes of me playing musical pots between my plants. And if you're on YouTube, then you can watch this shortened version and then jump on over to finish it up on Patreon. So I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for week 2 of Vlogtober, and I'll be traveling to Katy next week, so maybe some more interesting content. All right, thanks for watching.